Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete Twitter or X account permanently, easy guide. So if you want to delete your X or Twitter account permanently, you'll just need to launch the app first on your device. Once you're already in, go to your profile, wherein you could go ahead and tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Right after that, scroll down until you find in Settings and Privacy. Here in Settings and Privacy, you should be able to find in the option of Your Account. Click onto that and you should be able to see already the deactivate your account. So if you click onto that, you'll find out how you can deactivate your account. So these are the steps onto deactivating your account. You should be able to see also the things that you need to know. So to confirm the deactivation, click on the deactivate button here onto the bottom part and type in your password. So you need to confirm the deletion by confirming your password and typing it in there. Now once you have entered your password, just click on the activate button again here onto the bottom part to proceed. Deactivating your account is a first step and your account will be deactivated for 30 days, during which you can reactivate if you change your mind. After that 30 days, your account will be automatically permanently deleted. So be sure to back up your data first. If you want to keep any of your tweets or data, consider downloading your Twitter data before deactivation. And that is how easy you could go ahead and delete your account permanently here on Twitter. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.